but hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back. So this is a highly requested video. Everybody wants to see how to take this out. Okay, this is, yes, the same braidless sew-in that I've had in for almost 4 weeks. Low-key don't want to let it go, but it's just time for me to take it out. It'll be 4 weeks tomorrow. I actually did this June 29th. So tomorrow makes 4 weeks, and that is like such a huge deal for me because I do not keep like hairstyles in for that long. But I have been loving this braidless. That's why I low-key don't even want to let it go. It barely even needs to be retired. Like, this has held up so good. This has been one of my most favorite installs like ever. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how everything is looking. My new growth, definitely tell my hair grew a little bit. You can tell that puffiness coming in. Oh, quick update on this hair. This is the d.i.y hair. Now I gotta be honest with y'all, this did not stand up the devil flat iron. Let me show y'all the devil flat iron. Baby, these things I would never use again because first of all, they burnt my finger, okay? Because the whole thing, the whole outside gets hot. It burnt the mess out of my thumb. But anyway, I was curling my hair the other day for my 500K party. I'll make sure to check it out if you haven't. But I was curling it and it got stuck like for some reason and it just burnt this hair off. I thought it was my hair at first, but it was this weave. So that's something. But other than that, this d.i.y hair has been nice. It is greasy right now because I've been like oiling my scalp. It definitely needs to be washed and stuff. But yeah, I haven't had any more issues except for the devil flat iron. But other than that, this hair has been awesome. I feel like it's blended in pretty good. Next time I want to do like a kinky straight hair, and I think that'll blend in even better. But this has been, honestly, it's been good. I ain't had no complaints about this braidless. Okay, I've been loving it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get it popping. I'm gonna wash my hair, show y'all everything, show y'all if I, if my hair shedded. I did get some comments that kind of scared me because some people said that their hair thinned out from braidless sew-ins just because of like, the aluminum beads squeezing on the hair or whatever. So I'm curious to see if I have like any thinning or whatever. I'm sure I'm gonna have shedding because when I did this install, I was already dealing with postpartum shedding. I have not seen any shedding with the install. I think that's just because my hair is clamped up, so it's not able to shed out. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a lot of shedding just because my hair has been shedding from postpartum life. But I'm curious to see if my hair, thinned out from this install. Hopefully not, but we'll see. I'm gonna show y'all everything, of course, in this video. We're gonna wash it, blow dry it, all of that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. not gonna even say nothing. I'm just gonna show y'all. Yeah, I got beads falling everywhere. Y'all, I was expecting this, but okay, it's all right, it's all right, it's all right. So I was expecting that. I was expecting to see a lot of shedding because, like I told y'all, when I did this install, I was already going through postpartum shedding. Like, my hair shedding like crazy every time I comb it, like coming out in clumps. Y'all even seen that video. So I was expecting it, but baby, let me tell you though, this was a takedown from hell. In the back is where it was a nightmare. Maybe like 4 to 5 beads got stuck, like, because I couldn't see. I told y'all in the last video, you're supposed to put the bead in the little circle to make it a circle and pull it off. Oh my God. 4 to 5 beads got crinkled and stuck. Hair just pulling. Oh my God, that was a nightmare. I would never take this down like by myself again. It was really just the back because I couldn't really see. I had to try to feel where the bead was and try to feel the position it was in and try to feel where the circle was at. So that was a whole nightmare trying to like guess back there because a few of them did get stuck and it was a whole struggle. Some of them I just had to like heard my hair just ripping. Oh my God. Never again. Have somebody take this down for you because the top was definitely so much easier because I could see everything. So I did the top pretty quick. I didn't have like, you know, none of them issues at the top where I could actually see the bead and see exactly what I was doing. So that was cool. And yeah, this is my hair. I'm just happy I got it all out. My hair feels good. Like, I could feel my new growth. And yeah, I'm about to wash it and blow dry it and probably just braid it out really. All right, I'm relieved, okay, because I was a little worried that my hair thinned out really bad just from all that shedding, postpartum shedding that I got. And y'all know the little disaster with the stuck beads. I did have some stuck beads that pulled some of my hair out. But after washing and blowing it out, as y'all can see, it still looks the same. It's still, you know, nice and full like normally. I can tell it's a little thinner. Like, I ain't gonna even hold y'all up. I can tell, like, especially y'all, it's still painful. Like, not super painful, but I can feel like right here is a little sore because it was like this bead right in the middle back here. Yeah, that was one of the beads that got stuck and I had to like really pull it. It was, oh my God, cringy, like, oh my God. So I can feel that it got like a little thin right there in this spot. It's like some spot back there that I had to like pull a bead out. I was trying my best to, girl. Whew, like I said, make sure you have somebody take this out for you, or you really like can see what you're doing, like have a double mirror, something like that, because some of them beads in the back was a complete disaster. Yeah, I am relieved that I am not bald, okay? I'm relieved that my hair is still nice and full. I don't see any like breakage or anything. So I don't want y'all to be scared after showing y'all this, okay, this whole wad of hair, because like I said, I definitely think most of this was from my postpartum shedding. This is not what you would normally get when you take a braidless sewing down and you're not dealing with postpartum shedding, hair issues, or nothing like that. You would not see a wad of hair like this. So this is 4 weeks of mainly postpartum shedding. You still gonna get like some shedded hair when you taking out a braidless sewing, just because your hair has been you know, squeezed up in the clip. So hair does have to come out. So you are gonna see like a little bit of shedding come out. But I'm really excited. I'm glad that I got it over with because I feel like my postpartum shedding is pretty much done because, you know, when I washed my hair, I didn't have clumps coming out anymore. And you know, when I'm combing it, as you can see, baby, the comb is clear. So I feel like I am in the clear. I am done with my postpartum shedding, hopefully. And normally like around 4 to 5 months, that's when my postpartum shedding like slows down and finally stops. So I am 4 months postpartum. I'll actually be 5 months postpartum in 2 weeks. So I'm at like the, you know, right around that mark where my hair finally stops acting crazy. So I'm really happy about that. That is it. That is the takedown. This is my hair after. I'm gonna give y'all a look at the back. So yeah, that's it, girl. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below and make sure you subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Boom. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.